Welcome to Health with Veg Food, where we're dedicated to helping you start your day right with delicious and nutritious vegetarian breakfast ideas. In today's video, we'll be sharing 10 mouth-watering breakfast dishes that are not only packed with flavor, but also provide a variety of essential nutrients to fuel your morning. Whether you're looking for quick and easy options or something to savor on a leisurely weekend morning, we've got you covered. So let's dive in and explore these wholesome breakfast creations that will leave you feeling energized and satisfied all day long. Oatmeal with nut butter and banana, sustained energy with complex carbs and healthy fats. Natural sweetness and potassium from bananas aid digestion and keep you full. Greek yogurt with mixed berries and granola. Protein-packed yogurt with antioxidants and fiber from mixed berries. Granola adds crunch and fiber for a satisfying meal. Whole grain toast with avocado and tomato. Essential nutrients, heart-healthy fats, and fiber. Provides lasting energy and overall well-being. Chia seed pudding with mango and coconut. Omega-3s fiber and vitamins for heart health and digestion. Mango and coconut add natural sweetness and flavor. Smoothie bowl with spinach, pineapple, and almond butter. Bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Spinach, pineapple, and almond butter provide protein and healthy fats. Quinoa breakfast bowl with berries and almonds. Protein-packed quinoa with antioxidants and fiber from berries. Almonds add healthy fats for heart health and satiety. Vegan breakfast burrito with black beans and avocado. Plant-based protein, fiber, and healthy fats for long-lasting energy. Black beans and avocado provide a hearty and flavorful filling. Overnight oats with peanut butter and banana. Convenient, satisfying, and packed with fiber and protein. Provides natural sweetness and potassium for muscle function. Sweet potato hash with spinach and chickpeas, nutrient-rich, vitamins and minerals for overall health, provides plant-based protein and fiber for sustained energy. Vegan breakfast tacos with scrambled tofu and black beans, flavorful and protein-rich with plant-based protein and fiber, offers a satisfying and savory start to your day. These breakfast options not only taste delicious, but also provide a wide array of nutrients to fuel your day and support overall health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey through 10 healthy vegetarian breakfast ideas. We hope you've been inspired to incorporate some of these nutritious and delicious dishes into your morning routine. Remember, starting your day with a wholesome breakfast sets the tone for a day filled with energy and vitality. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering vegetarian recipes and health tips. Until next time, happy cooking, and here's to your health.